Hello friends, this is Itishri and welcome to my channel Creative Panel. Today I am back with some interesting idea for the person who says I can draw but really love sketch work. This lockdown will surely work out for you guys. So friends, after watching this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. This will notify you about my new videos in the channel. And do please suggest if there are any changes required in my video.
Okay friends, let's start doing.
I'll use this 2B pencil to draw the lines. This is the line which generally done by some people, but this is not the correct way. You have to draw straight line like this and practice this without using a scale. Practice 2 to 50 times at first and gradually it will be straight. Then switch to some vertical line like this and practice it for 2 to 50 times. At first it also might not be straight, but gradually it will be. Then switch to slanting lines like this and also practice it for 2 to 50 times. And at first you might not be able to draw slanting lines by rotating your hand, so switch to rotating the copy and do some slanting line like this. It would surely work out for you. Practice it. Then switch to draw circles by using a rounder if you can draw without a rounder. Then practice it over the circle and you will be able to draw after some days. Draw a circle but not in this manner, in a darker manner. That is wrong way. Draw a circle smoothly so that if it went wrong it can be erased out like this smoothly. This is another example. Don't draw in a darker manner, draw like this in smooth manner. Give different lines so that after drawing the correct one will be there and the wrong one will be erased out. This is the correct manner of doing art, like this. Now I'll teach you some different kinds of shading. There are 4 types of shading. The first one, draw straight line like this, giving pressure at one end and losing pressure at other end. The second time, draw straight line like this, then cross it with another straight line like this. This should create a more darker impression than the first one. Then the third type is draw straight line like this, then cross it with another straight line in other direction, and third is another straight line in opposite direction. This gives 3 tone. Let me show it on a larger scale. Draw this line in straight way, then this straight line in the opposite direction, then another straight line like this. You can clearly see different darker tones. The first one is the most dark, second is medium, and the third one is light tone. Now I'll show you the fourth kind of shading. Now for this, draw a circle smoothly like this without using a rubber. Then don't use this 2B pencil. Now switch to 4B pencil. Hold the pencil in a slanting way so that the pressure is at the tip and the pressure will create a darker tone at the corner, and gradually towards the other side there will be a lighter tone due to low pressure. Now if you want to create more darker zone, then give like the stroke mark.
For today, this much. In my next class, I'll tell you how to sketch different objects. Till then, stay tuned and bye bye.